Hello friends, now we are back with another hairstyle video, and this is another hairstyle that we will make now for your various office purpose, for festive purpose, or for casual look, or for going out. You can try different hairstyle, and this is one of them. Next we'll move further, and this is how we are taking the parts of the hair and trying to create a nice pony look, and this is how we are giving this so lovely plaits look by taking the small parts and making a nice bun. The hair that we have left can be shaped like this. Now it's time to create another beautiful hairstyle, and this is how we are taking the small parts of the hair and trying to put like this, and this is again one of the lovely hairstyle that we are making, and this is how we are giving a beautiful plaits look over here. This is one of the another lovely bun that we have made. Now let's see what's the next, and this is how we are taking the small parts of the hair, and this is a beautiful plaits look that we are giving. We are taking the small parts of the hair in such a way so that we can create a nice plaits look over here. This is how we are trying to create the patterns one by one, and as we go on, this is how we will complete it till the entire end. And this is again one of the beautiful lovely plaits that we have made, and we are shaping it like this. Now it's time to create another beautiful hairstyle for your casual look, and this is how we are trying to create this nice small ponies over here, and we are giving this bigger ponies and try to make like a plaits look over here, and this is yet again a beautiful plaits look that we are giving, and now we are shaping it in the form of bun. Now it's time to create another beautiful hairstyle, and this is how we are trying to roll the hair and taking out the small parts and making this nice rolly look over here. This is how we are trying to create a beautiful look. Now we will take and repeat the entire steps so that it looks like a nice beautiful plaits. Now it's time to create one more beautiful hairstyle that can be tried as a casual look, and this is one of them. This is how we are taking and making a nice beautiful casual looking bun. Now it's time to create one more beautiful hairstyle, and this is how we are giving such a beautiful heart shaped look here, dividing the plaits like this, taking out the small parts of the hair, and this is again party wear bun that we have made. Now it's time to create one more beautiful hairstyle, and let's see how beautiful we are making it. This is how we are dividing the hair and making a nice beautiful bun, yet again a casual looking bun this time. Now moving further with the next hairstyle, and this is how we are taking this nice beautiful multicolored clutch, which can be your matching one. Now it's time to create one more beautiful hairstyle, and this is how we are taking the hair like this and making a beautiful pattern out here and creating beautiful plaits over there. Now we'll take the hair and roll it further like this so that when we'll complete the entire foldings it looks like a bun. Now this is yet again another beautiful plaits look that we are giving first, and this is how we are trying to cover the entire length of the hair using these plaits and making a bun, and using the remaining hair we are trying to make a nice Chinese looking bun.